Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. So today I have yet another Meesho kurti haul. So it's a short kurti haul, and honestly this time the products were all awesome. So there's no suspense in that. I liked all the products. None of them disappointed me, but I still wanted to give a review of all the 5 kurtis that I ordered from Meesho, their price points, and whether they're justified or not, how the material feels on the body, and whether you should go for them or not. So without any more delay, let's get inside the haul. So the first kurti that I got is this kurti. So the color is so perfect for summer, like light pink and green and white, like perfect summer vibes. So ये मुझे ना 224 rupees का I got it for 224 rupees, and this is in rayon material. I actually got this one because of this pattern. I think ये बहुत unique है, but when I'm wearing this, I don't think this pattern looks that good. ये I mean the way it has been sewn into the fabric, it looks like very random, separated from this design. Yeah, if you can understand what I mean. So ऑल्सो यहाँ पे इससे बहुत सारे धागे निकल रहे हैं, बट द मटेरियल इज़ द ओवरऑल कुर्ती मटेरियल बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. ये समर के लिए परफेक्ट है, एंड आई लाइक दिस डिज़ाइन ऑल्सो. एंड हियर द स्टिचिंग इज़ वेरी नाइस. ये बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं है कि ये उतर जाएगा, इट्स शैबी. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट दिस कुर्ती, एंड अंडर 250 rupees. It's great for day-to-day wear. I think it looks really good for college, even for office, for tuition, all of that, and very cute, flowery, summery design. So overall, I would say like this is a 4 on 5. The next kurti that I got is mainly because of its gorgeous color. ये पर्पल में है, एंड ये सिर्फ 221 rupees का है. And I don't know the material. यहाँ पे it's written 100% cotton, but I don't think it's a pure cotton material. But मुझे इसका color and this golden detailing along with this purple color मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैंने इसको भी L में लिया है, and I simply love this one. I think there were other color variations for this kurti, and it has a mandarin collar and it fits really well. मैंने ये बहुत बार अभी तक like 4-5 times पहना है, and it's really comfortable, especially like it's ऐसे तुम्हें Indian summers में इसमें कोई you won't feel like hot, you won't feel uncomfortable in this. It's very breathable, very good, and yeah, I love this one. It's definitely like a 4.5 on 5. The third kurti that I got is one of the cheapest kurtis of the haul. It is just for 155 rupees. ये लार्ज में है, ये वेबसाइट में एंड लिखा है, और यहाँ पे भी लिखा है कॉटन में है, बट आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज़ कॉटन एट ऑल. मुझे ये क्रेप मटेरियल लगा है, एंड दिस इज़ अ लिटिल ट्रांसपेरेंट. आई गॉट इट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिज़ाइन विच इज़ रियली नाइस. ये प्लंजिंग वाला जो है, इट्स नॉट रियली प्लंजिंग, मतलब इसमें कुछ इट्स नॉट रिवीलिंग और एनीथिंग, बट आई लाइक दिस डिज़ाइन. ये बहुत पॉपुलर है अभी, बट आई फील दैट द मटेरियल इज़ नॉट दैट कंफर्टेबल, एंड थोड़ा सी थ्रू है, एंड it is not of really good quality. So I would suggest you guys to skip this one, but like if you want it, I think it's decent and it's good for like daily wear. Usse zyada nahi. I wouldn't suggest you to wear this to office, but if you just want to step out of your home to run some errands and all aas-paas, so it's good for that. So like a 3 on 5. Come down to the second last kurti of the haul, and it is kind of one of my favorite. Just look at this. 239 rupees का है. ये मैंने लार्ज में लिया है, पिरोकी बोल के कोई ब्रांड का है. This kurti is so comfortable. It's perfect for summer. The color is perfect for summer. The design is perfect, and it's really breathable. It's a good quality. ये बिल्कुल भी सी थ्रू नहीं है. यहाँ से थोड़ा सा ये स्टिचिंग का इशू है, एक धागा ऐसे निकल गया है, बट ओवरऑल अभी तक तो इट्स स्टिल फाइन, एंड वेरी गुड फॉर इंडियन समर्स. एंड आई थिंक ये वाला आप डेफिनेटली ऑफिस में पहन सकते हो, कॉलेज में पहन सकते हो, कैजुअली कहीं पे बाहर आसपास निकल रहे हो. सो इट्स perfect for that. Like this is like a 5 on 5. I have come down to the last kurti of the haul, and I've kept the best one for the last, and this is this kurti. 233 rupees. Just look at this baby pink color. ये रेयन मटेरियल का है, एंड ये लार्ज में एक्सेल में लिया है मैंने, एंड आई शुड हैव टेकन लार्ज. ये मुझे थोड़ा लूज है, बट आई थिंक फॉर समर इतना टाइट कपड़ा आई डोंट लाइक वेयरिंग, सो इट्स परफेक्ट टू हैव अ लूज फिट, एंड इट्स अ गॉर्जियस पीस. It is so lovely, it is so comfortable, it feels like you're wearing cotton. It's not see-through at all. Very simple design. This is also perfect for like office or running casual errands, or you're going to college or for tuition. I think it's a perfect kurti. I absolutely love the baby pink color. Stitching is perfect, it's not transparent, abhi tak kahin se koi dhaga nahi nikla hai. So I think this is my favorite kurti from the haul. I absolutely love it. This is a 5 on 5. That was my very chotu sa Meesho kurti haul. I hope you liked the products. I'm going to put all the codes in the description, so that if you liked one product or if you like multiple product, you can just copy paste the code and get it on Meesho. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That helps me to make more such content, get more motivated and bring such more stuff out. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.